case study we want to discuss today is about power generation reliability. The client we had, they involved with the power generation business. They run a 200 megawatt coal-fired power station. And what we did, we tried to investigate the AI capability for predictive analytics and assist with their asset health monitoring and predictive maintenance across their critical assets. One of the critical assets they have is the boiler feed pump. They are really important equipment responsible for feeding enough water for the boiler. During this project, a second catch was made on the boiler feed pump, non-driven and bearing high temperature, which the equipment eventually tripped on the high temperature. What we did, we set up a multiple AI model using critical tags of the pump involved with the bearing temperature, bearing vibration, pump flow rate, and the motor current. As we see here, we detected a gradual actual non-driven temperature increase against the model prediction, which was indicating some sort of abnormal incident happening in the bearing side. But in the same time, we had the pump flow rate also deviating from the normal operation way before the bearing failure. The further investigation by client revealed that there was a misalignment in the pump shaft that was causing the bearing pushed against the bearing house, causing the friction and consequently increasing the temperature. And the interesting here is seeing that also this is affecting the pump flow rate. So basically the shaft misalignment has the capability to change the pump curve, and the pump won't be able to basically perform in an efficient manner. Using the insight from the AI modeling, the client was able to react in a timely manner to ensure the availability of the backup pump, and they prevent basically an unplanned downtime. And the estimated saving by client due to the prediction of the failure and the deployment of the subsequent pump here was estimated at around $150,000.